it is Chloe back with another video here. So,
long time no see.
It's been quite a while since I've uploaded a video. So,
Bruh.
It is very windy outside, so if you hear like So today, we're going to be dyeing some eggs today.
Oh my god.
I just saw an egg move. Please don't crack, or else
I will die.
That's over-exaggerating, but please don't crack. Thank you. Thank you, next.
Thank you.
So, we're going to be using this. It's Avengers Infinity War.
Which, by the way, is my favorite movie of all time.
Okay.
Egg dye thing. Yes.
Stop it. Get some help.
So, of course,
This dumb, purple, wrinkly raisin has to be on the front of the box.
why can't it be Iron Man or somebody like that? It has to be this purple, wrinkly raisin. Why?
Boy, if you don't get...
So, we're going to be using this to dye our eggs today. It includes
5 coloring tablets, 5 coloring cups, 1 egg dipper, and 1 crayon.
Great. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And comment what other suggestions you would like for me to do. And
Yeah.
so, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's open it up. Ooh. Yes. Yes. Where's the crayon? Didn't it say there was a crayon in here? Where?
Okay, well, alright then.
So here's the egg dipper thingy. Here are the egg coloring tablets. I forgot what they were called. It looks like there's red, pink, yellow, green, and blue. And then oh, here's the crayon. It was clear.
No!
I mean, if you put it in there, you can't really see it.
Bruh.
On the cups, you have Iron Man, Groot, Black Widow, Captain America, Star-Lord, and this beautiful creature, Spider-Man. I'm in love with him. Let's... Okay. These smell like poison. Huh? Okay, so first let's take the yellow tablet, put it in there. Take the blue tablet,
Tablet. Whoa.
in there. Wait, is this purple? Wait. No, this is green. Wait, what? Okay. I don't know what colors they are. We'll find out. Red or pink? I don't know what color that is. Wait, I think that was red. This is pink. I don't know. Okay. Let's do these. First, we gotta put the water in. I have a big container of water. This is not gonna end well. How about let's do this? There we go. Whoa!
A few moments later.
So here's a close-up. First of all, this literally looks like my pee.
Stop it. Get some help.
So here's a close-up of the mess I made, and here's what the colors look like. It's so beautiful.
Wow.
So we have green, blue, yellow, which looks an awful lot like I peed in a cup, orange, and pink, which I thought was gonna be red, but oh well. Okay, so this is going to be my new angle, so you're not gonna be looking at this ugliness anymore.
Lucky you.
I think we should start with blue because blue is my favorite color. So let's get our little egg dipper thingy-majigger. So let's dip this in.
Yes, queen.
Let's do green.
Bloop.
Many months later.
Let's see how the blue is doing. Okay, literally nothing changed, so let's see the green. Nothing changed with that. I mean, it's getting darker. Let's see yellow. Literally nothing changed. Okay, so that's good. So let's just sit and wait.
One eternity later.
Okay, it's been a while, so let's see. What the freak? Am I not doing it right? What? Okay, this is starting to look green. Okay, alright, that's good. What about orange? I didn't check on orange.
What the heck? What am I doing wrong?
Pink.
Ooh. Okay.
Okay, pink is looking good. Pink is look. Did I just crack it? No, we're good. Okay, thank God. Okay, pink is looking good.
Are you sure about that?
Green is looking better. What about blue?
Looks exactly the same as the green, so.
6.5 hours later.
Wow!
Wow. Wow.
Ooh, this one looks real good. Gotta be careful. Okay, I think she's set. Put her. Oh my God! She just went rolling away.
Okay, girl.
Girl.
Stay. Okay, let's see how blue is doing. Okay, we're getting there. What about green? Okay, green is looking good. We doing good. What about orange? That didn't change at all. What about yellow?
Okay, well.
I think this is the best we're gonna get with green. I think this is the best we're gonna get. They'll all be pastel colors. Okay, let's just take this one out. Oh my God. Okay, this will just have to be a very, very pastel orange. I mean, in person, it looks orange, but on camera, it really doesn't. Oh my God, no. Okay. Ha! Okay, well that didn't really work either for this one. So let's just put this one over here. Ha! Yeah, the pink is better than the other ones. I don't know why, but every time I dye eggs, the orange and yellow
Never work.
Okay, this one's looking better. Okay, pink is doing really good, so we're gonna take that one out because this one's done.
Okay.
What the hell's going on here?
Let's put one in pink because that's the one that's working best.
Okay.
Okay, let's take this one out. Ah!
You better stop!
Yeah, that one's fine. It's fine. Okay. So we're all out of eggs. So let's just wait for these. Clearly the yellow is a fail. What the frig? It didn't even change color. It's literally still white. Okay, let's put it in the green.
Okay.
Orange is good. Orange, it doesn't look like it's changed on camera, but in real life, it...
Actually, yeah. Yeah.
I mean, blue is doing better. I mean, you can definitely see a difference between this one and this one, so these colors are done.
Oh my God!
Okay, let's take pink out. Oh, yes, queen, yes. And let's just take green out.
Oh. Okay, that looks better.
I don't know what this was for. What do you use for this? Hold on. Magic crayon included. What does it do, though?
I am confusion.
I don't know what this does. Well, I think they look pretty good. I mean, they're not the best, but they still look good. This one looks pretty good. This was the first one that we did. She got no cracks. She curvy. She cool. Yeah. Oh my God. I have a great idea.
2,000 years later.
So there you go. There's all my friends in the bowl. Ta-da! This is literally me.
Me after a long day of school.
Hi, sorry to interrupt, but please enjoy this picture of Tom Holland while I talk. Anyways, I just wanted to say two quick things. First thing, I'd like to give a special thanks to my weird friend Jack for making my outro song. And second, I have a friend named Gracie, and she started a YouTube channel, and I think you should go subscribe and check out her videos. Her videos are super awesome and creative, and I think you should show her some love and support. The link to her channel will be in the description box below. Okay, that's it. Have a nice day. Bye!
So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will definitely try posting more YouTube videos because it's been a while, and I hope you like my friends.
Stop it. Get some help.
So again, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and comment what other videos you want me to do next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Bye.
This is the outro, it's over, go home. This is the outro to a glorious video. This is the outro, hope you had a nice time. This is the outro, check out the next glorious video.